big change doesn't happen all at once. It's built one tiny win at a time. Most people sabotage their own progress because they expect instant, massive results. They want the dramatic before and after, but that all or nothing mindset is the fastest way to stay stuck. Change isn't one big decision you make once. It's 100 tiny choices you make over and over. Each small win you stack is evidence you can do this, and it's how you actually build momentum that lasts. Tiny wins create proof. We're not looking for motivation, we're looking for evidence. Every tiny win you collect is a receipt that says, I can do this. It doesn't have to be impressive to matter. Something like choosing water over soda, taking a 5-minute walk, logging your meal, saying no when you usually say yes. Each of those small wins is proof that you're becoming someone who follows through. Momentum needs repetition, not intensity. People love to go hard on day 1 and burn out by day 3. That's the trap. Momentum doesn't come from a single heroic effort. It comes from showing up daily, even in small ways. The brain learns from patterns, so repetition is what makes new habits feel normal. The more often you choose the small win, the less resistance you'll feel next time. Identity change is built through wins. This is about more than behavior. It's about identity. When you stack tiny wins, you stop seeing yourself as someone who tries, and you start seeing yourself as someone who does. It's no longer, I'm trying to eat healthy. It becomes, I'm someone who chooses what fuels me. You don't need big dramatic changes to become that person. You need consistent small ones that rewrite the story you tell about yourself. Today, choose one tiny win you can claim. Just one. Drop a brick emoji in the comments and tell me, what's a single simple action you can take that moves you even closer to who you want to be? I want you to pick it, do it, and count it. And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.